All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful, that's right folks, it is a beautiful 2015 Chevy Express 15 passenger cargo van with the 17,000 miles. Let me repeat that, 17,000 miles on this truck, 2015, white, gray cloth interior. It's got backup camera, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Well, it really has got cruise control. Super nice. Best of all, minimum damage. It's got backup sensors as well. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Your front passenger steel wheel looks good. Here's your tire thread. Over 10-30 seconds. This door does have a dent here, as you can see. Boom, boom. It's got a running dent right there. Now this here is a body line, but the rest of it is a dent. All right, you got a dent here. All right, and that's pretty much it. The rest of it looks pretty darn good. All right, take another look at that. Had to turn off the compressor there. Here's your rear driver side steel wheel, and your tire thread is at over 730 seconds. That's about it. You got your sensors in the back. Boom, 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 running, very nice. Got your doors. Whew, they look good. All right, let me jump inside here, show you guys instrument cluster and stuff like that. I know I need some gas. Got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors. It does come with the 2 keys and 2 key fobs and owner's manual. Check out pictures for more details. Didn't I just shut that off? No, it's definitely off. All right. Check out instrument cluster and things like that. Obviously your AM FM stereo system. It actually said premium sound system, it does not have it. Just have an AM FM stereo system. Got your AC controls right above that. You get your rear AC controls. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. It does need some gas, and your mileage of 17,921. You got cruise control here. Very, very nice. Boom, boom. Get your owner's manuals in here. Pow. That's about it. Turn on the lights. Boom. Keeping it moving. These windows do open. That one window does. Got your backup camera. Oh, I didn't show you guys that. Wow. I'll show you in a minute. All right. This is, of course, what one of your panels looks like. Look very good. This is your rear cargo area, as you can see. So the seats go and everything like that. Here's the other side of the door. Barn door looks good. Obviously, there's a camera. It's right there. Let me go real quick. Turn that on for you guys. Backup camera. Right there. Boom, my camera can focus. Either way, it's there. My camera doesn't focus. Alright. Lights are working back here. Here we do have a scuffing. Very small, but it is there. Your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. Got running boards. Looks like they might have hit something with it, but it still works. I've been stepping on it, so it still works. Not a big deal. These doors do swing out all the way. Just to check pictures for more details, I had it's a two-handed operation. I had to stick my hand in here and pull it open, but that's the way that shit rolls. And likewise on this side, to push that door in order for that. So of course, what one of your seats look like. You got rear running ACs. One of your seats looks like, boom. No holes, no tears, no rips. Next row, and next row. Looks good with no holes, no tears, no rips, and rear running ACs. And I showed you your AC controls up there. All right. This door's got a dent there and one in front of it. And here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 830 seconds. Lights are working, car is on, looking beautiful. folks, once again, a 2015 with 17,000 miles Chevy Express cargo, Chevy Express 15 passenger van with 17,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding, folks.